Hey guys, this is Chris and from the PULWTOP. PULWTOP is the manufacturing, also is the brand all of the world who are making the USB-C hub and docks, especially for the Apple accessories such as like the iMac and also for the Mac Mini and also for the iPad and also for the iPhone. So we have many USB-C hub and docks and for this and the laptop. And today, we were introduced to you of this kind of product. It's the upgrade Mac Mini dock and for the Mac Mini M4. So we have the before one is this one. This one is the old one. This one is upgrade one. Let us to check what the function we have upgrade for this product. Okay. At first we can check it. We can check for the old one. We can check. And for this product, okay, we can get a comparison of these two products and for the Mac Mini M4 dock. For the first look, and it's the different from the first look and it's like the design. And the first one no with the cable, and the cable is the separate. It's the separate cable, and we have matched the USB-C to C cable, and for this one, and also for the upgrade one, we have the cable with the dual C, with the dual C for the Mac Mini M4 to ensuring the power and also for the video output. So from the first look, this is the difference and from the first two. But the design is the same. We also have the round. Round to hold your Mac Mini, and also have the rubber and here to protect your Mac Mini M4. And also we have the notch design because, as you know, for the Mac Mini M4 and the power switch is on the bottom. When we put this product on our dock, it will be help you to more easy to access to the power switch. Such as like this one. It's really the good design and for this notch design. And also we can check on the back side and for the function. And the old one, we also have the USB 2.0 and we have the audio, and also we have one HDMI and for the 4K, and I have the C to C cable and for this cable. And for the upgrade one, we have the two video output. Let our users and to choose which one you need, and also you can combine any video output to use together. And we have the HDMI for 4K, and also we have the DP 4K 144 HD. You can use together because for the Mac Mini M4 and support triple monitor, you also can enjoy the triple monitor with the different images. Okay. And also we have the audio because we want to have the audio on the back and for this too, and also have because you can connect some speakerphone on the back. Okay. And we can check on the front. This is the old one and this is upgrade one, and this is for some normal product and for some who only need one video. If you need two video, you can choose this one. If you want to mix the video for DP and for HDMI, you can choose for this one. Okay. And we can check for the upgrade one, and it's the same. It's the same. But also, and to add more port for the USB 2 port, and for the old one only have the two USB A 2.0, and for the upgrade one we have the 3 2.0, and for the 3 because you can connect some snow keyboard and also for some mouse. And someone will be confused why you only to do such as the USB 2.0 because as you know, and for the Mac Mini, the Wi-Fi ATM is on the bottom. When we put the Mac Mini on the bottom, we can put the Mac Mini on our product. Your Wi-Fi ATM will be influence our USB 3.0. This will be help sorted in by Intel. USB 3.0 have the influence and have the Wi-Fi issues with the 2.4 HD. Okay, so we only need to adopt the USB 2.0, and for the port for data transfer, it will be help you to connect some keyboard and mouse and such like this one. And also we can check on the back, and we have expanded M.2 SSD case, and for this too, yeah, the same function, because for some Mac Mini, and also it's for the first generation, it's very favorable price, but the storage is not more. So we need to expand the more storage, and for our Mac Mini M4, so we have expanded M.2 SSD case for you. It can up to 8 TB, but we recommend to use the 4 TB at max, because to ensuring the power we're using and to avoid the disconnecting and for the data transfer. So it can support 8 TB, but we suggest the 4 TB max for you for this one. You also can check the design. It's the same design. Also, it's the aluminum. You can check with the Mac Mini M4. It's the same. And also, it's the same color. And also, it's the same quality. And with the Mac Mini M4. And we can check in for the rubber. And when we put it on the desk, and for this one, and it will be not scratched by your desk. It will be protected for the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rubber, and to protect the aluminum of our product. Yes. And also you can check for the Mac Mini M4 and only the Type C, 1, 2, on the front, have only the Type C for data, and also have the audio on front. And many users will be confused why you only to add more audio ports for your product on the back. Because for your Mac Mini on the front, you may be to connect some earphone, and also for this one, you may be to connect some speakerphone. Yeah, for this one, it's the different function you want to use. And we can check on the back and the Mac Mini M4. We have the Thunderbolt 4 dock port, and also it supports Thunderbolt 5. So this Thunderbolt 3 port can support the radio, and also can support the data, and also can support the charging, and also have the HDMI, and also have the Ethernet, but no USB-A. Yeah, no USB-A, no card reader, no SSD. Yes, no SSD. So we need to expand the more function. So for this one, why we need to do the upgrade? Because we want to catch the 1 video market, also for the 2 video market, and also for the 3 video market. Because when you have the HDMI monitor, when you have the DP monitor, you can choose the different video output you want. You have the choice, and also you can mix HDMI and the DP, and the DP and the HDMI, also combine the 3 DP, HDMI, because M4 and can support the triple monitor at the same time. You also can combine the HDMI and DP, and also can combine the Type C port. It's also okay. So whatever the display you have, whatever the display you have, and for DP or HDMI, this product will be suited for you. Yes. And we can check and put it on here. And you may check, this have the notch design, it's a great design. And we just to put our dual Type C on here. Yeah, dual Type C on here. It will be, and just to connect the keyboard for the power, it will be worked. And this design is really good. You can check for the design of each one. Okay, that's all.